Are you looking for the benefits of chiropractic care without all the twisting, popping, and cracking? Then you're like most of my patients. I'm Dr. Jennifer Kane, and in my chiropractic practice, I use the ProAdjuster, a technologically advanced way to painlessly analyze and adjust the spine while you're in a comfortable seated position. The ProAdjuster is safe to use in the neck, mid-back, low back, and other joints in the body. Let me show you how. I tap gently on the spine. And the motion of each joint is reflected on the computer screen. I use that information to decide which joints to adjust and the amount of pressure to apply to each joint. The computer chooses the speed to tap each joint, and it will stop automatically as soon as motion has been restored. The adjustment is very gentle and comfortable. So based on this analysis, I'll choose one joint to adjust. So I'll adjust the second thoracic vertebra. It's going to be at 20 pounds of pressure, and it will tap it about 10 times per second. Now in practice, I would analyze and adjust the neck, mid-back, and low back. And then what my patients love is that I use the ProAdjuster to work on their muscles, to relieve muscle tension. Not only does it feel great, it helps the adjustment to last longer. My patients are amazed at how good they feel with the ProAdjuster and that they get better faster, all without that twisting, popping, or cracking. So if you're wondering if the ProAdjuster is right for you, and you're interested in gentle and effective chiropractic care, give our office a call to schedule an appointment or to speak with Dr. Kane. I would love to help you.